Patterns have always been a part of men's fashion, and checks are no different. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to wear checks, the do's and the don'ts. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, although checks plays an important role in men's fashion, they have a prominence, but it is also common. But just because it is common doesn't mean it has to be boring. Checks comes in widest array of colors, sizes possible. Right from gingham checks to tartans, maybe Prince of Wales checks, and even tablecloth or a window pane checks. How you play with checks is more important than what kind of checks do you wear. Now, when you go to tartans or even the gingham checks, you would find widest array of color combinations possible. But how do you combine those checks into your outfit, how do you integrate them, plays an important role. Now, checks in men's fashion or in any man's wardrobe can be found right from shirts to suits and to even accessories and trousers. Checks can be interesting and eye-catchy, and if done wrong, checks can be an eyesore as well. Now, you would see a lot of men out there wearing checks the wrong way. But gentlemen, if you see, checks has been in a man's wardrobe for a very long period of time. But still, some of us does it wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make most out of your check shirt or a trouser or even an accessory and make it work for you. So let's go to the do's and the don'ts. Gentlemen, the first thing that you must do is that if you're someone who's just a beginner, who's just started to integrate checks in his wardrobe, I would recommend to play it safe in the beginning. If you're someone who's just started to shop for checks, gentlemen, I would recommend you to stay away from bold checks or even bold colored checks. For an example, I would recommend you to stay away from bold buffalo checks or even Prince of Wales checks. I would recommend you to go for something like tartan in neutral colors, maybe in navy blue or grey, or even you can try with green. But try to stay away from very bold checks, checks that are really big and loud. Once you are in the journey, once you have your transition period, you can definitely try on with bigger and bolder checks. Gentlemen, the second thing that you must do, especially if you are someone who likes to play it safe, I would recommend you to keep one patterned piece at a time. For an example, if you're wearing a gingham shirt or any other check shirt for that matter, I would recommend you to keep your trousers or your suit simple and solid. For an example, if you're wearing maybe a pink color gingham shirt which has small checks basically, you should go for a solid navy or a grey suit. Do not try to go with check suit and the check shirt and even the check tie for an example. So make sure that only one piece of your outfit is patterned or is in checks. You can go with trousers as well. If you are wearing check trousers, make sure the shirt is plain and solid and simple. So make one piece at a time do the talking. Same goes with your don'ts. Do not try to go with very bold or very bold colored checks, especially if you're someone who's a beginner. Once you're matured enough with your outfits, you know what to do and what not to do and what your taste exactly is, you can definitely try on with bolder colors or bolder pattern for an example. Gentlemen, the third thing that you must keep in mind, that if you're someone who's wearing checks on checks or rather pattern on pattern, you need to make sure that you follow a certain set of rules. These certain set of rules will make your outfit look interesting rather than disastrous. For an example, if you're wearing a check suit and a check shirt, make sure that the smallest of pattern is closest to your body. This is how you can easily remember. For an example, if you're planning to wear gingham, make sure that the shirt is gingham and your window pane is probably your blazer or your suit. So in that way, since gingham is a smaller check, it comes closer to your body, that is a shirt, and you can probably wear a bolder check suit or a blazer. And gentlemen, if you would want to give a little visual interest to this kind of an outfit, probably you can throw a mid piece that is in solid color. I'll give you an example to simplify this further. If you're wearing a navy blue suit, I'm sure most of you guys have it out there already. If you're wearing a navy blue color suit, wear a plain solid shirt, maybe a white or a light pink or a baby pink or even an ice blue shirt, and then you can throw on waistcoat which is in checks. So it gives a pattern and it gives an interesting layer to your outfit. Navy blue, then comes your check waistcoat and then your shirt. So it gives a really nice visual appeal to your wardrobe. And same goes the other way around as well. If you're wearing a check suit, you can wear a plain waistcoat and maybe then a check shirt. And again, make sure that the smaller the check should be closer to your body. Same goes with your accessories. If you're going to go absolutely berserk with your checks, you're going to look hideous, trust me. If you're wearing a check suit, a check tie, maybe a check shirt and a waistcoat and even a check pocket square, then gentlemen, in 90% of the cases, you are going to fail miserably. So you need to make sure that you give a little thought when wearing checks. So now let's go ahead and check these particular outfits that I have curated for you with checks. And before we go ahead, let me tell you that all the looks that you see on the video are being posted on Instagram as well. So check my Instagram handle. If you like the content, make sure to follow. Gentlemen, here is our first outfit. This particular outfit has two combinations. The blazer, which has checks, bold checks, and the blazer with a checked tie. Now, if you're looking forward to pull off something like this, I would recommend you to find a blazer like this. This is basically a plaid blazer which has a Scottish appeal. The colors are pretty Scottish. Here it's green, yellow, blue and black. Now gentlemen, if you're looking forward to pull something off like this, I would recommend you to go with solid color shirt. Here I'm wearing this very basic baby pink shirt and a tie which has checks as well, which sits well with the pink of the shirt. And to neutralize everything that you're wearing, I have paired this particular blazer, the shirt and the tie with a very neutral grey trousers. Now these particular grey trousers are great if you're looking forward to neutralize any of your bold outfit. And gentlemen, for my shoes, always the classic penny loafers. Gentlemen, here is another way to wear check accessories. Well, if you're looking to swap your solid pocket square with a check pocket square like this, well, you're gonna have to change the blazer itself. And yes, you heard it right, you'll have to change the blazer. If you're going for a check blazer, check tie and a check pocket square, it's going to be too much. So just swap your blazer with a very classy and elegant navy blazer just like this. Keep everything same. I have not changed anything apart from this blazer and the pocket square. And just have a look at this particular outfit. It is elegant, you're good to go and you're good to thrash any party. Gentlemen, our second outfit is keeping everything solid except your waistcoat. Now here I'm wearing the same shirt from my last outfit, which is a baby pink shirt and a very simple and solid grey color suit, which is a 2-button suit. But gentlemen, here the talk of the town is this particular waistcoat. This is in mustard yellow color, which has checks. Now these checks are pretty minimal and subdued and has green on it. So the green of the pocket square and the green check on the waistcoat picks up well. And to finish off this outfit, gentlemen, I'm wearing these tan blushers with some pistachio green socks. Similarly, if you want to swap your baby pink shirt with, let's say, a gingham shirt, well, this is how it can be done. You need to take off your waistcoat and swap it with something solid. Now, gentlemen, this particular waistcoat is not part of the suit. This is in the darker shade of grey, but as you can see how well it harmonizes. And as you can see, swapping your waistcoat makes a lot of difference here. Perhaps the simplest outfit out of the three. This is a simple shirt and a simple pair of trousers. You're going to the office in the morning, you don't have much idea on what to wear. Well, you can just throw on a simple solid shirt, but make sure you throw on some texture and pattern with a checks pant like this. Now, these particular trousers are in wool, and as you can see, the color of the trouser is really nice. You have white, you have navy blue, and you have really nice two shades of brown, a darker and the lighter one. And to finish off this particular outfit, I'm wearing these double monk strap shoes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did in making it. If yes, then let me know in comments what else would you like to watch on the Classic Dandy. And gentlemen, if there is any other pattern that you would want me to make a video on, let me know in comment as well. Gentlemen, if you're someone who's new to this channel, click on the I button to check out my previous videos and playlist. If you like the content, well, activate that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Subscribe to it. Until next time, thanks for watching.